Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel Enable Website Design. In this video we are going to discuss how you can connect your website with Google Search Console. So now I can log in into my website /wp-admin. Then here I can add my user and password. And here in the dashboard we need to install a plugin. So I need to install a plugin that is called Sitekit. And here you can see 4 million plus active installations. So let me install the plugin and after that activate, and then here you can see on the left side in the menu, click on dashboard. So let me scroll down, click here sign in with Google. And after that here I need to add and connect my email account. Click on the continue button, then select all, scroll down, click on the continue button, and then here you can see 3 steps. Click on the verify button. Okay, first step is complete. Then again click on allow button, then setup. So guys, here you can see Google Search Console is connected with the website. So then go to my dashboard. Alright, now here you can see Google Search Console is connected. And now if you want to check live traffic for your website, then you need to connect Google Analytics in your website. So that is basically used to check real-time traffic for your website. And here you can see Google AdSense option. So that is basically used to run ads in your website for and earn money from your website. So now the next step is we need to connect analytics. Here you can see set up Google Analytics. Click here and select email account. Click continue button. Select all, scroll down, click continue button. And here you can add some details. So make sure that you have added country name, time zone and other details. Then click here create account. Then verify with email account. Click continue button. Scroll down. Then again click here continue button. After that scroll down, accept terms and conditions. Then again scroll down. And click here I accept. So guys, here you can see analytics account created. Then go to my dashboard. Alright, it's working fine. This way you can easily connect Google Search Console and Analytics in your website.